Just gonna close my eyes for a minute. Oh, wow, I'm so tired.
Hey everyone, next week is finals week here at the Tutorium, and since most of the students are probably feeling pretty tired right about now, I thought I would give you 10 ways to say you are really tired. All right, here we go. Number 1 is a standard classic, I'm exhausted. Number 2, I'm beat. 3, I'm pooped. Number 4 and 5 are kind of similar, so we'll do those together. I'm worn out and I'm wiped out. 6, I'm dead tired. Okay, I'm gonna do 7 and 8 together too because they feel similar to me. Okay, number 7, I'm burned out. Burned out. And number 8, I'm fried. All right, number 9, I'm on my last legs. I'm on my last legs. I'm dying. Okay. Number 10, I can barely keep my eyes. Okay, everyone, I hope you are feeling well rested. What expressions did I forget? I know there are more. Let me know in the comments, and if you are feeling wiped out, go take a nap. I'll see you later.